Red Shirt One here with you folks, and I'm not commenting on the Yoko Ono's little brother here, but I am commenting on the comment that I left, like I usually do. YouTube, I originally posted YouTube Epsteined 15 comments off to Gitmo. It opened up a dialog box saying this function cannot be done. So I changed Epstein to Gestapo'd. And that was 35 seconds ago. It was at 31 comments. Now it's at 35 comments. This was comment 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Activate caps lock. Now, this should reopen that dialog box. Oh, no, it went. Okay, so this video is not going to be made, possibly posted for later, but let's see. Since I'm just going to leave that, and we're going to go back, refresh, and it's 36 replies. Now let's go see if mine are still there. Yep, they're still there. And still only 16. I guess I will post this. And Styx, sorry about the whole Yoko Ono's little brother thing, but it was something my other half said and it just stuck with me forever. I mean, no hard feelings. It's not meant as, you know, a slam. I just call you that. Sorry.